late model hot rod here at Unique, especially in classics. 2005 SSR, made by Chevrolet, of course. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Just a little over 29,000 on this one. Red line red with the ebony and red two-tone interior. Go ahead and take a look at this front fascia and grille. As you can see, the paint shows well. The 6-liter underneath the hood. 2005 is another big V8 in it. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can see that engine bay. Be able to check out the undersides, interior, bed of it. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It'll take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, you can see it's riding on the chrome wheels. Here's that two-tone red and ebony leather. Center console, shifter on the floor. Windscreen will be included with it, as well as a bag, storage bag for it. Something else I will send with it in the bed is this kind of nice show poster, if you will. Once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle will come with, let me show you this, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That will be included with the sale price, and it may be eligible to extend that out to 10 years. Check with your consultant when you call in or email. And again, take your time, look through the still pictures. Be able to see the teak wood in the bed of this in the still pictures. The underside, the interior, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. So you take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see it's pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Shows well. Of course, Bose stereo system in this particular model. Power mirrors, we have heated seats, power seat, memory, and then just take a look at the condition of the seat. Really very little wear, if any at all. Steering wheel controls, driver's information center, and then the stereo also, of course, power windows, power locks, cruise, tilt, all your modern amenities. Go ahead. Fire this one up. See what I can do to, I'll run that top up at the end too. It is in working order. I'll put it up so we can take a look at that. AM FM cassette. You can see here, we'll get your exact miles. As soon as it pops up here. Exact miles, 29,884 it's at. Take a look at the rest of the dash. All looks good. And we'll pop the hood so you can see the engine bay. Then I'll run up the hard top also. Might have somebody help me with that so you can watch it go up and see it. Nice sound. A little throaty rumble coming out of that 6-liter. I'm going to go ahead and pause this 1 second. Let me get this hood open. Have somebody help us out and put that top up to you so you can actually see it go up and down. Take a look underneath the hood. Nice hood liner in this one. Tell somebody that's showing this truck. Some neat touches to it. Take a look at the bed of it also. And I believe they painted this to match. I don't believe that would have been red from the factory. We got some chrome and some bright work underneath here. Look at this. Also another thing, hood struts. I believe those were added. I think this would have had a prop rod when it came from Chevrolet off the top of my head. Good looking engine bay. Again, that 6-liter paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. It's a nice looking engine department. Like I said, you definitely can tell previous owner. I probably showed this truck some. All right, one last thing. I'm going to run that top up for you so you can see it work. All right, got Izzy to help me put this top up so you guys can see it function. So yeah, go ahead, show you how this works. Yep. What's the screen say down there? All right, grabbed Izzy to help me out, so we're going to show you how this top works and goes up and down and functions and everything. There we go. And just like that, your convertible is a hardtop pickup. 2005 Chevrolet SSR. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles just a little over 29,000. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2005 Chevrolet SSR. As you can see, there's a little bit of snow left on the ground in Minnesota, but none of it's on the road, and the roads are dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. Radio works good. The odometer says 29,895 miles currently, which is nice and low. All our gauges are working well. It's up to temperature, about 195. Half on the fuel gauge, 40 on the oil pressure. Battery is showing about 14. Torque gauge does move when you give it throttle. Outside temperature showing a little over 40. This is a nice red on the outside, red and black interior. Automatic on the center console. Power top works well. Not getting any kind of shakes. It's nice and smooth. If I let go of the steering wheel, should go straight down the road. Brakes are working well. Go around the circle here and accelerate one more time. Corners well. Good handling on these. And very great acceleration. Lots of power for a little machine. Check this SSR out at Unique.